No. No, 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 no.
Oh my god.
Any comment? Any comment, Amber?
Don't look at me.
Gay. I guess that's a comment, though. Sounds like walruses fighting.
Dude, like
over an Oompa Loompa.
fuck a walrus twice in the day.
That's a little weird. All these things are lies. This is just jokes. Yes, that too. And she's a tree named Wallace.
Look at him walk.
And this is just a retarded kid, honestly.
Is that hard?
Try it,
But he's alright.
It looked really hard.
Gay. Well, yes, it did look very hard. When you say AJ. Yes. Amber, when you say very hard.
No.
She just said yes, didn't she? I'm gonna show her that segment, folks. She said I'm Marvin.
No, she said I'm nigger.
Dude, I'll have to edit that part out
don't.
too. That's rude.
I'm not racist.
He's just special. Don't you see his hat? Marijuana. Dude, no. That's illegal. Or is it? No.
No, not because I got it medically, because I have a bad back, but I'm walking, fuckers.
He's walking, apparently. Dude, look at the sky. Is that the sky or is that the ground? Because we could be the ground to other people in space.
Look at this.
Dude, you don't know how space is.
What came first? Orange the color or orange the fruit?
My mom, obviously.
No, I think it was
What's your answer on it?
I'm asking you.
I think it was
Nah, you're gay.
4th grade when you said, I want to start my weenie. And I said, okay.
Look at those mushrooms.
I didn't know you in the 4th grade, and I don't know how you think I did know you in the 4th grade. And
You know
those
what?
are mushrooms.
Yeah.
Dude, don't eat it. Nah, most mushrooms are poisonous. Fun fact, everybody.
It's not a fun fact.
Nah, it's just a normal, boring fact. Yeah, it is. It's a known fact. Most mushrooms you find growing outside are poisonous. Or toxic, or whatever.
No.
He knows.
Just not good.
Well, you know what they say about not good.
They're like Nazis. Get rid of them.
What?
Yeah, Amber.
We're in the wrong generation to be still talking about stuff like that. This is more historical type shit we be talking about. Yeah.
Liking Nazis?
I don't know. What?
7th grade was a hell of a year. I dated a black girl.
What about her?
She had big tits. Pretty nice. And now she has a kid.
Dude,
Hello, fucking.
I knew a person with a kid once. But they were adopted, so I don't think that counts.
Whoa! 7th grade was a hell of a year.
Stop. No, you gotta say 8th grade now.
Nah.
8th grade.
We're gonna skip to 9th grade.
What about 10th?
Well, in 9th grade, one of my friend's dad committed suicide on Christmas morning.
Oh.
That's a fact. That's not a joke. Kinda made me cry.
Oh my. This just got mad serious. Okay.
I had a fucking great Christmas because my dad was alive!
I'm sorry, folks. He's
Yo, look at that water.
talks about something. I don't know.
Look it up.
Look what up. Amber finally made a face in the camera. She was like, oh, look. Dude, get under a bridge and be a troll already. Like, stop.
Fuck you. Watch.
You see the water, bro? You see it? You see
Amber,
it?
go
Oh, they
in.
don't see the water.
No.
Whoa.
Well, actually, there's a
Water everywhere.
If I was water and I was wet as water, then I would not be considered Gatorade.
Takes, Amber?
I thought it was gonna say Gatorade.
All right. He's talking about alienated people in society. How
Fuck them Jews.
Jews can be morally immoral, I guess.
I don't know what the fuck that means, but I
Wait, the trail, dude. The off trail was back there, though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But it was flooded.
Isn't off trail right there?
It was
Do you mind to go there?
flooded.
Oh, was it? Was it?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Wasn't paying attention.
Well, we could
No.
Lucas, where did you nut on Miranda?
I don't know who that is. I don't. He just makes up names and says shit.
That's not a made-up name.
Well, this is not a name I'm familiar with.
Oh, you.
Dumbass.
I love that.
It's an A. Look. This is an A.
Oh.
Dude, how do you see an A in that?
A. Oh,
B.
fuck you.
Now it's a shut the fuck up. I got him, folks. I got him. I got him. I did. It's on camera for the record, though. I had you though.
That's my Red Bull can.
What?
That's my Red Bull can.
Oh my god.
Dude, you're Satan himself, I think.
Dude, I'm just gonna kill the whole world.
Yeah, well, that's just not okay.
$4 at a time, everyone.
$4. What types of dollars, though? Euros.
Yo, Rose.
Your hoes. Mo's. Lows.
Osmosis Jones.
Was foretold. A basic white girl picture. Oh my god, Jessica. Dude, what is going on here, though? You see that? The water's about to get up here, even. Jeez.
Dude, it's coming from my dog.
Yo, where the fuck is it coming from? Oh no.
Damn.
I almost did it again. No, I didn't. I wasn't even close that time. It was funny last time, right, folks? Like, comment, share video, you know. Subscribe. Unfriend, refriend, just so you know, do that process.
I don't know, man.
Probably not that. Amber, any other ideas on what to do when you see this video? Like, not want to die, talk to Satan? No. You don't talk to Satan.
Why
He ain't
not?
friendly. 'Cause
If you can talk to Jesus, you can talk to Satan.
no, you can talk to God. Talk about religion. Be normal. I'd just like to take some time, folks, and like reiterate what is being said, because we don't know. Okay, continue.
Look at him walking.
Yeah, I just noticed how he's walking, folks. He's been doing that for 20 minutes now, I think. And she can't even walk. Look at her. Look at her walking all sad like. Where's that posture, bro?
Shut up.
Alright, 42.
Whoa. Look, it's doing it again.
Want a balloon?
What?
Oh. It lives in the sewers.
Whoa.
Ooh. She just tried to kick me.
Into the water.
She chasing me. I'm gonna run this way. I'm not. The camera's looking at you. Weirdo. Now look at this guy walking. He thinks that walk's more normal. It ain't. It ain't shit. Now my walk. Whoa! I can't even walk.
My butt feels weird.
Ew, that sounds like a butt problem. You should see a butt doctor about that.
My butt cheeks are like cold and they're going numb and it's weird.
Why? Going numb?
Wait.
Because I'm cold.
My scrotum in my
Oh, they're there.